Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, the AC clutch relay, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram here. What you guys need to do, you need to go ahead and open the hood. Once you guys open the hood here on the driver's side, now let's zoom in a little bit, you see your car battery right there. Now guys, if you go ahead, okay, and look in front of it, you'll find the fuse box. Press these two tabs, lift it up, it will open, and on the inside you will find a main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, here for the AC clutch, if you want to see how to test, replace AC clutch, we have multiple videos on the channel. Please guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to give you one good advice, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. You have multiple relays, but unfortunately you guys do not have a relay. You have a relay fuse. The relay fuse that you need to check, it's two of them, okay, and starting this way, that's 57, 8, 9, 60, 61, 62. 62 is one of them that you need to check, and the second fuse that you will need to check is fuse number 99. Right here, that you need to check for the AC clutch as well. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.